my channel. I'm so glad you've joined me. Yesterday was a long day for me. My son had tubes put in his ears, so I didn't check the mail until this morning, and I wanted to show you what I received in my Boxycharm. Actually, I don't even know the spoilers. I know a few items that people were getting and the variations, but I really don't know what's going to be in this box. Okay, this is a true unboxing because I have no idea what's in here. Okay. And the card that comes in every box. Peace, love, and Boxy is this month's theme. And I'm not going to even look at the card this time, and I'll go over everything. Okay. Okay, let's see what I have. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, Loose Powder Highlighter. I've received one of these before in a Boxycharm, and this one is Summer Haze. I believe they said that these were, I saw a spoiler that these were 2 limited edition highlighters that came out, the Summer Haze, and I forgot what the name of the other one is. Okay, this is the highlighter, and I can't tell if that's more like a peach or a pink color. These are very gorgeous, very sparkly highlighters. I do have the one from before, from a previous Boxycharm. Like I said, it's an Illuminati, and these are so gorgeous. Okay, the next item is this Power Up. This is from Butter London mascara. I'm not going to open it because I have some open, and I don't want to start the clock on this one. Just says Power Black. So hopefully I'll have to see some YouTube videos and see what the wand is like, just out of curiosity, but I will open this up at another time. But right now I want to try some other mascaras that I have. This one is the Beauty for Real. Let's see. 24/7 liquid eyeliner, finish line. Looks like in jet black. Of course, the black eyeliner is, I believe this is the one that's like the felt tip one that I watched a few YouTube videos. I think that's what this one is. So that is always good to have as a staple item in your collection. Okay, and the next item is the Luxie brushes. This is the Summer Days brush set. Has 3 pieces. Has the pink and orange to yellow, I believe it is, and it's got the little festival palms and it has the 209 large shader, 245 small shader, 512 small contouring. Okay, and this is what they look like. Has the gold, and then, like I said, the handles with the pink, orange to yellow. And so soft as always. And I think this is the last item. And this is the Pure Cosmetics, the Festival palette. Piece pressed pigment palette. Look at those gorgeous colors. 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. Metallics to eye-catching glitter. Okay, this is what the palette looks like inside. if anything is... Doesn't look like any of the pans are broken. Those are gorgeous. Okay, here are 7 of the shades in this palette. I know there's several videos out there with all the swatches and even from Boxycharm, but just to show you what that looks like on my skin tone. And the gorgeous pigmentation that's highly pigmented. And I think they've really stepped up their formula from Pure Cosmetics, because the other palettes, some of them are just the quality is just not there. This one seems to be one of their better palettes, just from what I can tell so far. And I think I'm going to get some really great looks from this palette. Okay, my final thoughts. I at first was not going to get this month's box, to be honest. I thought to myself, well, I've got so many brushes. I've got, you know, I saw these for spoilers, and then I saw some other spoilers for, or variations, spoilers for the variations. And, you know, the mascara, it's like, oh, I have a lot of mascaras. I have a lot of black eyeliners. The Artist Couture, I do have one of these, and I understand this is a limited edition, from my understanding. And then this Pure, and I was like, oh, another Pure palette, and I was thinking the quality, you know, I'm not sure if it's going to be there, but it is. I decided to go ahead and get this month's box and continue my subscription to Boxycharm. So it was nothing personal with Boxycharm. It's just initially I just felt kind of meh about the box, and it wasn't really speaking to me at first. But then I decided to go ahead and get it, and I am happy I did. I'm happy with the box. I always, you know, of course, Luxie's one of my favorite brands for brushes. They are gorgeous, and I will be able to use them. And this one, I think Pure has upgraded their formula. I think that this is going to be a fabulous palette to work with, especially for color, those bold, bright colors. And then this, of course, Artist Couture, I already know that they're fabulous for their highlighters. And then the mascara and the eyeliner, yes, I'll use them, but I do have quite a bit of mascara and eyeliners open right now, so, but they're good for having a staple item for your collection. I appreciate you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.